Greetings, students and colleagues. It is I, the Pokemon slash now Elestrals professor, and I'm here with you guys on this awesome UI, Elestrals Clash. This is not my first time going into the game, obviously. As you can see, my rank is Stone 5. I've played probably 4 ranked matches right now, but that's not what today's video is about. Today's video is going to be about this beautiful purchase feature right here. So, Elestrals Clash is free to play. I would highly recommend check it out if you're into TCGs, or really if you're into any monster catching franchise. I would highly recommend you check it out. Free to download on Steam, but of course, games like this need to be monetized. And one of the way that Elestrals Clash does this is through Pandora's box. Now, this is a feature where you essentially open up what's called Pandora's box in the game, and you have some chances to get these items here. It varies from alternate arts to cards, to full arts to cards, to in-game currencies, and then ultimately, the ultimate prize right here is in the upper right-hand corner, and that is a Stellar Draking Buddy. So, just an example of some of the things that I have earned or gotten from Pandora's box. As you can see, I've opened up a lot. I had a couple that were free for playing, and then I bought a couple using one of my community members' codes. And then, ultimately, I'm going to get 6 Pandora's boxes for free today because I supported the Kickstarter at the $100 tier at the time of recording. So some of the things that you can do when you come into your collections and then you go into cards, you can see alternate arts of some cards. So as an example, one of the best cards that you could get from these Pandora's boxes are the Stellar Rare variants of cards. So, for example, I got this yesterday in one of my openings, the Stellar Drakid, which was super cool. I got the Full Art Draking. I have not gotten the Stellar Full Art Draking, but I got the Full Art Draking yesterday as well. Couple other card variants that I have. One of them I'm trying to get is the Stellar Galaxy, Champion of Poseidon, for obvious reasons. If you play Elestrals, you know that that is one of the strongest cards in the game. Elestrals also does something pretty cool where you could customize your cards. And so I did that with Hibernation here because it's one of my favorite cards in the game. Let's see here. Where I got a really cool Stellar. You get the Pentair just for playing your first match, so nothing crazy there. Oh, there it is. Stellar Smoltuga I also got yesterday too, which I don't use Smoltuga, but, you know, if I did, I would definitely use the Stellar variant. Some of the other cards, as you can see here, I got an alternate Toxiswarm. I got the alternate Thunderstorm, which I was really excited about. I don't use Thunderstorm yet, but it's there. Ursaden doesn't have an alternate version yet. A-Drive, do it. Voltempest, you have to get through Ash or Stone or Gems. I'm probably going to use Ash when I get that, just because I really like Stellar Voltempest. Let's see here. So, ultimately... Oh, and this is another big one. The Statue Zeus is another really popular card in this game. So, the Statue Elestrals... Oh, yeah, I got Poseidon, too, I believe. Or the Statue Divines. It's one of the many variants. Oh, Kryling. I got the Daniel Mosby Kryling. Because I run Bear Bomb. That's what I've been playing. Really excited to get this. This is in the Clash Pass. No alternates or the spirits yet. Let's see here. What else did I get? I got a couple other cards too. But anyways, that's the point of this, right? You can get some very cool card variants. So now we're going to go back into Pandora's box, and I am going to click Get More. I currently have 1,230 gems. So what you're going to do is you're going to exchange 500 for 10 Pandora's keys. And I'm going to do another 500 for 10 Pandora's keys. And then you're going to want to go back to Pandora's box, and you're going to open 10. And there are, like, that's a hit somewhere in there. That's a hit. Yo, I got the tracking. I got the tracking, buddy. That's really funny. In the video that I'm recording, and I also got the alternate Galaxy there, too. Yo, I got the tracking, buddy. Let's go. The Comalis and the Hephaestus is hype. Wow, this was a really good opening, guys. That's insane. And I got a crap ton of Ash, too. That's crazy. I'm going to open up 10 more. I don't think you beat this, guys. I mean, the fact that I got the Draking, buddy, is crazy. The Narpoon, sweet. The Plucky, okay, I'll, whatever. Altar, that's cool. Alternate altar there. The Full Art Shield, that's really nice, because Shield is one of the most common cards in the game, so that's actually really nice. And so, now that I've managed to get the crazy hit from this, jeez, you're gonna go to collections, buddies, and now there it is. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. That's crazy. I'm excited about that, y'all. I'm really excited about that, actually. Dude, that's insane. And then I also got some gems there. So we're going to go back into collections because there are some other variants of cards that I got. So I got this altar, which I'm going to use, obviously. I didn't get the Ambro yet, which I want that Ambro. Got the Galaxy there. Oh, Hephaestus was the other one. Comalis. Love that Comalis art. Oh yeah, I got the PTA. Plucky. Got that. There's the Poseidon. Yo, I can get the Stellar Full Tempest now. I have the Ash for it. I'm gonna do it. Screw it. I have the Stellar Full Tempest. Okay. What was Hephaestus? I don't plan on playing Hephaestus, but in the off chance, right? There it is. Boom. Statue of Hephaestus, bro. Alright. And that is the... that is the system here in Clash. The Pandora's box system. I'm also actually going to do something here with my Ursa Den. I'll do that later. Alright, so if you enjoyed this, check us out for more content. I might stream Clash today. We will find out. So, I gotta resync everything with OBS. But check out Elestrals Clash, free to play on Steam. I hope to see you guys in the digital arena. Peace.